Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the stream and download settings in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. And here you should press once again in the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. And after doing so, you should select here the first option, which is stream and download. And you can manage here basically the settings. So you can manage the stream quality, the download quality, the manage downloads by device, the download audio language, the auto download, the cache data usage, the download on Wi-Fi only, stream on Wi-Fi only, notify when watching on mobile data, and use hardware acceleration. And you can just press on any of them and it will be deactivated or activated, and vice versa. You can just press on these categories as well, and you can just select what you want here. So for example, it is an always ask mode, you can just press on the other, and basically this is all about it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.